Hello everyone, my name is Pawan Nitish and I am your Abhyas IIT Prep coordinator. Today I am going to discuss with you the last minute revision required for JEE Mains 2021. How should you plan your study and also how to effectively use this time based upon the analysis which I am going to give you now. So generally entrance exams give a way for you to join prestigious institutions which involves 2 years of preparation, and this 2 years of preparation is one task, and the final phase which is now is another task. Okay, in this final phase you require some analysis to be more ahead with respect to other students. So this analysis will help you out to prioritize your topics in an order, how to get more marks from the more chapters. Okay, some chapters will be having more weightage, some chapters will be having less weightage, so you can prioritize your chapters based upon the weightage, and this analysis will help you do that. Okay, so one thing I want to tell you is schedule your revision always based upon the weightage and difficulty level and the time consumed for each and every chapter, that is effort to be made for each and every chapter, and revise each and every fundamental concepts and formulae from NCERT material. You can expect a considerable number of concepts based upon formula. Direct formula based questions will be there in your paper. So coming to the study plan, the weightage which I am going to give you now is based upon the previous papers analysis, and also the difficulty level is based upon the perception of an average student. On an average, I have maintained the difficulty level. Okay, the effort required is more if the concepts and complexities involved in the particular subtopic are more. Okay, that is the criteria where I have classified the effort. Questions from all chapters will be asked in the JEE mains. Okay, and don't ignore any chapters which are not mentioned in the study plan, because the study plan only gives you how to prioritize the chapters in order, but it doesn't tell you that only prepare from these chapters. Okay, so please don't ignore any other chapters which are not mentioned in the study plan. Coming to physics, I have divided all the chapters into four blocks. Okay, the first block in physics, the first block is kinetic theory of gases, heat and thermodynamics. In kinetic theory of gases, heat and thermodynamics, I have combined all these three because generally the questions will be a combined question. Okay, basic concepts to be covered from KTG heat and thermodynamics are calorimetry and adiabatic isothermal combination graph. Okay, combination graph for expansion and compression. Okay, and also other graphs. All graphs are important from thermodynamics. And next, also work done by a gas on the gas problems. And next, engines. Okay, and in KTG, particularly KTG, he will be asking from CP, CV, gamma, R for different types of gases, for different gases, monoatomic, monoatomic and diatomic gases. Okay, polyatomic gases. Semiconductors, you can be expecting questions from full wave, half wave rectifiers. Okay, full wave, half wave rectifiers, and also Zener diode transistors, NPN, PNP transistors. Okay, drift velocity, energy band, okay, energy gap band, valence band, all those terms are also important. Next, EM waves. Generally, whenever you ask me about EM waves, then I will be telling that EM waves, EMI, AC, all will be combined. Okay, EM waves, EM. If you prepare for EM waves, it would be very much important, and also EMI and AC will be also the combination for EM waves. Okay, mainly he will be asking EMF induced, solenoid, all those type of problems. Next, in gravitation he will be asking you orbital velocity, escape velocity, okay, mass on different planets, and next gravitational field potential, and in oscillations, basic SHM terms, general equations, and also damped vibrations. Okay, damped vibrations. These questions will be asked. Next, in optics and waves. Optics comprises ray optics, wave optics. In wave optics, he will be asking you fringe width, okay, maximum and minimum width, maximum and minimum fringe, okay, double slit experiment, double slit experiment. And in ray optics, major portion will be covered from refraction. In refraction, generally there are prism, TIR, lenses, mirrors, bird and fish problems. Okay, a lot of concepts are there in the refraction, but each and every concept will be having highest weightage, and they are very easy to practice also. Okay, so many people find refraction as an easy chapter, less effort. And wave optics also consists of very small number of subtopics. And in waves you may be expecting from Doppler effect, Doppler effect, and fundamental frequencies, organ pipe, beats, reverberation. Okay, all these topics are important in waves. Next, in modern physics, generally questions will be from all type of rays, X-rays, gamma rays, alpha rays, beta rays, and all those properties are important. And next, photoelectric effect, emission spectra, emission spectra, binding energy. Okay, these are important topics to be covered in modern physics. After first, then you will be going to the second block. Second block, EMI and AC. Generally, the topics will be maximum EMF produced in a coil, power dissipated in LCR circuit, power dissipated in LCR circuit, self inductance, and in current electricity, generally you will be having on resistance, circuit diagrams. After circuit diagrams, Kirchhoff's law, meter bridge, and also galvanometer, potentiometer. Those are important in current electricity. In capacitance, generally you will be seeing questions from equivalent capacitance, equivalent capacitance. Next, energy stored in the capacitor. Okay, mainly these two things: energy stored and equivalent capacitance. In kinematics generally requires all the graphs, okay, velocity, displacement graph, next velocity time graph, displacement time graph, all the other graphs also. And along with this, there will be questions on position with respect to time, displacement with respect to time. He will be giving equations, you have to differentiate them, or you have to integrate them and find out the solution. Those type are very important in kinematics. Next, in electrostatics, there is no particular subtopic which is important. All the formulas which have to be derived are important, like charge for an circular ring. Okay, all those are important. Next, properties of matter, solids, fluids. It is a huge chapter for gases, solids, fluids combinedly, and the questions from fluids generally comprises of fluid kinematics and fluid dynamics, which generally have a lot of important topics like terminal velocity, different fluids mixed together. Okay. Next, Newton's laws of cooling. Next, uh, also there will be questions on ice in water. Suppose there is a beaker. If there are some water, ice is installed in the beaker, then the water level will be rising or decreasing or remain same. These type of problems. In solids, there will be questions from Hooke's law, elasticity, all those subtopics, properties of matter. The questions will be asked based upon the gaseous properties, and also thermal properties of matter will be included in the same thing. Where if you will see, will there be questions on radiation, heat transfer. Okay, all these chapters are to be covered. All these subtopics are to be covered in this chapter. Next, in rotational motion, questions will be from moment of inertia. Next, theorems, parallel axis and perpendicular axis theorems, frequency, frequency of a rotating disk. Okay. Next, laws of motion generally you think it is a very easy chapter and it will be having high weightage, but laws of motion generally questions will be asked into another chapter in a combination, but not exactly from laws of motion. So laws of motion can be considered as a low weightage chapter, but it also requires a lot of effort. You will be practicing it from the starting first year, so you don't think that it would require that much effort, but majority students think loss of motion is like little bit effort is taken for that one. So in loss of motion generally covered topics are constraints, pulleys, momentum. Okay, these subtopics are important for you to solve the questions from loss of motion. Next, communication system main topics to be covered are logic gates. Next, transmitter and antenna, transmitter and antenna. Next, center of mass and collision. Center of mass, generally you should be perfect with finding out center of mass for all the sections like T, H, C, okay, etc. And also moving center of mass, that is if velocity is also included here, moving center of mass. Then in collisions, problems will be on before collision, after collision, elastic, inelastic. Okay, once go through all those. And next, circular motion, generally questions will be on ratio of kinetic energies. Okay, these are the important subtopics in the physics. Once go through all the subtopics which I have discussed, and then all the other important topics, then NCRT concepts, and then practice a lot of mocks. Okay, do these four in the last phase of your preparation, then you will be easily getting a good percentile. And coming to our address, our campus is Granville Academy and it is also a part of Abhyas, and here Abhyas IIT Prep is the coaching given for the people who want to join into prestigious institutions, and this residential campus is situated in Pragati Nagar. We have our websites iitprep.in and gyanville.in, and you can email to our contacts for further assistance if you want to know about any details. And these are our Facebook page contacts and WhatsApp contact, and also there is a Telegram channel. I will be pasting the link in the description. You can subscribe to the Telegram channel, and daily I will be posting maths, physics, chemistry quizzes and also other GK related stuff. So you will be daily getting a chance to participate in the quizzes or polls conducted in the Telegram. And please subscribe to the channel also. Thank you.